Good morning, students. Today we will do chapter 5 decimals, and our topics are addition of decimals and subtraction of decimals. Let us start with addition of decimals. When we add decimal numbers, we follow some steps. For example, in the given question, our numbers are 27.68 and 112.134, and we have to add these two numbers. First of all, we will write the first number on top, which is 27.68. Now we will write the second number, which is 112.134, but first of all we will put the decimal below the decimal. Then we will write the digits which are written on the left side of the decimal of second number, which are, first of all we will write 2 below 7, then 1 below 2, and then we will write the 1 on the left side. Then on the right side we will write 1 below 6, then we will write 3 below 8, and then we will write 4 on the right side. And in the blank spaces we will put zeros. That is, after 8 we will put 0 in the first number, and on the left side of 2 we will put 0. Now we will add both the numbers, and the answer we get is 139.814. Now let us do one more example. In this example, the given numbers are 54.08, 6.237 and 182.4. First of all, we will write the first number, that is 54.08. Now when we have to write the second number, which is 6.237, we will start with the decimal point. First of all, we will write the decimal below the decimal point. Then we will write on the left side the digit 6, and on the right side we will write first of all 2 below 0, then 3 below 8, then we will write 7. Then for the third number, first of all we will put decimal, then we will write 2 on the left side, then 8, then 1, and on the right side we will write 4. And in the blank spaces I have put zeros with the red color. Now we will add all the three numbers, and the answer we get is 242.717. Now let us do one more example. Here the question is, find the sum of the following decimals, and the numbers are 9 centimeter plus 4.5 centimeter plus 2.6 centimeter. First of all we will write the first number, which is our whole number, that is 9. If whole number is given to us, then first of all we will write whole number, then put dot, and then put 0, and the zeros we will put up to the maximum number of the decimal places which are given in the other numbers. Here we will write 9.0 centimeter. Now we will write the second number starting with the decimal point, decimal below decimal. Then on the left side we will write 4, and on the right side we will write 5. Then for the third number we will first of all put decimal below decimal, then 2 on the left side and 6 on the right side. Now we will add all the numbers, and the answer we get is 16.1 centimeter. Now let us do the properties of decimal addition. The first is, the change in the order of addends does not affect the sum of decimal. For example, if we add 2.65 and 3.55, the answer we get is 6.20. And when we change their order, first of all we will write 3.55, then we write 2.65 and add them, then the answer will be 6.20 only. Answer will not change. Now in the second property, the sum of a decimal number and 0 is the same decimal number. For example, when we add 0 to a decimal number, here 12.5 plus 0, the answer is the decimal number, that is 12.5. And in the second example, when 0 is added to a decimal number, 0 plus 1.2, the answer is 1.2 itself. Now let us do subtraction of decimals. For example, when we have to subtract 25 0.5 and 27.9. First of all, we have to see which is the greatest number among these two given numbers, because in subtraction we will always write bigger number on top and the smaller number below it. Here in question, the bigger number is 27.9 and we will write it on top. First of all, we will write 27.9. Then we will write the second number, which is 25.5. First of all, we will write decimal below decimal. Then on the left side, we will write first of all 5, then 2. And on the right side, we will write 5. Now we will subtract both the numbers. From 9, we subtract 5, the answer is 4. From 7, we subtract 5, answer is 2. And when we subtract 2 from 2, the answer is 0. Here the answer of the question is 2.4. Now in the second example, we have to subtract 9.565 from 10. Here in question, the bigger number is 10. So we will write 10 on top and 9.565 below it. As you can see, 10 is a whole number. So first of all, we will write 10, then put decimal, and we will put 3 zeros for the decimal numbers, because in the given question, the second number has 3 decimal places, that is 9.565. First of all, we will write 10.000 and below it, first of all, we will put decimal, and on the left side we will write 9, and on the right side we will write 565, and we will subtract both the numbers. After subtracting, we get the answer as 0.435. Now, the properties of decimal subtraction. In our first property, any decimal number subtracted from itself gives the difference as 0. For example, when we subtract 2.65 and 2.65, the answer we get is 0. As you can see, 3.55 minus 3.55, answer is 0. And in the second property, if 0 is subtracted from a decimal number, the difference is the same decimal number. For example, when we subtract 0 from 12.5, answer is 12.5, and when we subtract 0 from 1.2, answer is 1.2. Hope the topic is very well clear to you. Thank you.